Hey, what's up guys? Joe here with Deranged. So I have this razor right here. We like to get out on the trails as a family as often as we can. And a lot of the times we rely on Google Maps. A lot of you might know Google Maps ain't the most reliable GPS system for a side-by-side or anything else. So I decided to take one of my kids' old tablets and turn it into my GPS for my side-by-side. So I need some way to mount it. You saw in a previous video, I mounted these mirrors here using those G6 clamps. Turns out I don't like the mirrors. So they are too small, they're not convex or anything, so everything you see behind it is small. So I decided to pull the passenger side off for now. I'm gonna use that clamp and make myself a mount for my GPS. So let me show you what we're looking at. So this is the tablet that I got. It's an old Samsung Galaxy tablet. It's Galaxy Tab 3 or something like that. It's in good shape. We always had a case on it for the kids, but they don't use it anymore. They've moved on from there. So we're gonna use it for the GPS for the razor. It also comes, one of the things that we needed with it was this OtterBox Defender case. And the reason why is it comes with this back plate that you can snap in and it holds it in there. Well, that back plate is gonna be our mounting surface now. So we'll use what we have here to make ourselves a mount and get it mounted on the razor. I just went to the hardware store and picked up a few things to be able to do that. The first one is one of these electrical plates, just a 4-inch one because it fits perfectly on the back of the tablet case. We're just going to take that metal piece there, just give it some extra security. And we're going to put a hole in the middle of that, put a couple holes on the side to make sure it stays on there using the hardware that I picked up. So just a couple pieces of hardware I picked up from the hardware store. I had a couple of those already. And then that is the tools you need. Just a drill bit, Allen wrench, a ratchet with a socket, and a drill, and that's about it. So, and then we're going to take this clamp and we're going to screw it to the clamp and mount that clamp on the roll bar. It should work out pretty well. I'm going to kind of get going on it, get drilling, and get it set up, and then we'll get it dry mounted in the side-by-side and see what it looks like from there. This case I picked up on Amazon for 15, 16 bucks, something like that. I honestly was surprised I was able to find it just because it is a 5-year-old tablet and you don't find a lot of accessories for 5-year-old stuff. But here's the back plate I was talking about. We're gonna have to remove this piece here because we won't be using that functionality anymore, and we need to put some screws in there. So I'll remove that and then we will get the back plate secured to it. All right, next thing I'm gonna do is mark my back plate. So I'm gonna take the plate I just made, like that, get it centered up, and see if I measure for center here real quick. Center is right about there, and honestly it doesn't have to be perfect. So we'll go ahead and mark our holes here. And I'm going to drill the same size of holes on the other side so that the mounting plate mounts nice. All right, I got my holes drilled, so just make sure it lines up. Boom shakalaka. And there we go, good to go. So I'm gonna get it secured to the back plate now. We'll see how that goes. So I got these flat top screws, so it takes up as little space as possible when I put it in here. So use that flat top, use a lock washer, little washer. Okay, here's one side. And then this piece is going to go through the opposite way. Well, the same way as the screws, I guess. And then that's going to connect to my bracket. Like so. And I need to grab one of my washers there to do that. So I'm going to grab a washer real quick. Take one of them washers there. On that side. Do this here. Put it on that side. Get myself a washer there. Give it a little tighten up. There you go. And the tablet should fit in here. Let's see how it goes. Boom. So it fits in there just perfect. That's what your mount's looking like on the back. I may need to get a little bit of a longer bolt there, but we'll see. So let's see how it fits in the razor. All right, so the plan is to mount it right about here. Right above my mirror there. And I still got all the adjustability I need with my mirror, but I can clamp it to the bar right there. So the one thing I'll say is if I could go back, I wouldn't drill it dead center of this plate, and maybe I'll change that on the plate. I'd drill it higher up on the plate so it brings the tablet up just a little bit higher, so I'm able to rotate it down a little bit more. Matter of fact, I might just modify my plate to do that. So we'll see. That's it. That's how it's going to look right about there. All right, I made some adjustments. I have it kind of how I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and get this clamp on. See, I brought it up just a little bit higher, which I like. So this clamp's pretty cool. You just slide this other piece on here. Looks like I'm going to need to unvelcro the roll cage here, or the roof, anyway, as it were. So that's how she blows right there. So I will, you just pop the tablet up there. Bam. Good to go. Take it down. Okay, let me put this silicone in here. Start over on that. I think I got it secured to where I want it. Get the final squeeze on her. There you go. That sucker is going nowhere. And then anytime you want to bring your GPS, you can take it out, or you can pop it up in here. Hang on nice and tight and secure. It's not going anywhere. I like to run, I'm fooling around with a couple different apps right now for navigation. The one I'm doing right now is called Backcountry Navigation, or Backcountry Navigator. You can load maps on there, you can share maps on there. It'll track you GPS with no cell phone reception or anything else. We're looking at doing a ride in Valley of Fire coming up here in a couple weeks over in southern Nevada, and this has already got the maps loaded on there. So I can, zoom in on the maps, I can follow it, it will follow me. I can use the trails that have been shared in the past and follow them along. And then I can do the same thing if I want to track my ride. I just track my ride. A pretty cool app so far. I think it's 10 or 20 bucks a year or something like that, or it might even be for a lifetime membership, but great app. Anyway, that's pretty slick if you ask me. It just pops up in there. Easy solution. If you're not running with it, it doesn't look too bad either. One thing about this is this has Bluetooth, and I have my Apple Music on it. And I download music onto it, and it connects to my Bluetooth stereo. I have the SSV MRB2 in here, and it connects to it via Bluetooth. I can listen to all my tunes right here. Don't have to have any wires going around and whatnot. Speaking of wires, I'm gonna have to run a power cable to it. I have this 12-volt power right here. I'll likely just run for the meantime, or in temporary basis anyway, I'll run a charger, just a standard cell phone charger that goes up there. I also have USB power over here, so I might run it up this side and along the roll bar and then through the back and then connect to it over here. But should just be the power cable. Either way, I think it's pretty slick solution. So, also one more thing I forgot to mention. So I used a Samsung Galaxy Tab 7 or whatever it is, Tab 3, 7-inch. Is what I used. You can use whatever you want. It doesn't really matter. As long as they make an OtterBox Defender case or a case that has the clip that this thing clips into. There might be other brands and everything else. I'm not sure. Maybe I'll look into it. We'll post some links in the description. But you have to have a case that will pop into something as far as the tablet goes. See what your kids have lying around. I literally have, over the past 5 years, probably 3 or 4 different tablets that are lying around doing nothing. Happened to find an OtterBox case for this one, one that would work. So anyway, use any tablet you have. Any of them will work. Just make sure you find the right case. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you're looking for a quick, easy, elegant solution, semi-elegant, redneck, hillbilly, whatever you want to call it, solution to mount your tablet, your GPS, and your UTV side-by-side Razor, there you go. Pretty quick, pretty easy. Total cost about 10-15 bucks, including the bracket, including the case that I had to put on the tablet, the spare tablet I had lying around the house. So anyway, that's it for this video. If you like what you saw, like, comment, and subscribe and all that junk. If you didn't, don't. We're good with that too. Feel free to leave some comments. We're always down for criticism, as long as it's not hateful. Just kidding. Anyway, that's it for this one. We'll catch you guys in the next one.